Hey, it's Kasim with Solutions 8, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to focus on getting new customers when you're running smart shopping campaigns. So here's the use case. You're running Google Ads, you're running smart shopping, and you want to make sure that you're prioritizing new customer acquisition over, repeat buyers or people who have already purchased from you. And there's a way to do that. It's actually wicked ninja, I think. So let's just dive into it. No preamble, okay? So inside of your smart shopping campaign, you're going to go to settings, and then under settings, under bidding and budget, you'll see conversion goals. And you'll notice that account level conversion setting is probably the default and is probably already selected. That's normally perfectly fine. But in this particular instance, you're going to, from the drop down, choose campaign level conversion goals. And now you'll notice that you have this checkbox, new customer acquisition. Interesting. Selecting new customer acquisition, gives you the ability to define a value for this new customer. Now, be really careful here, because if you define the value for this new customer, it's going to include that value in your reporting. And so if you bid up the potential value for this new customer, you could actually be giving yourself false positives in faux reporting. This is especially true if you have target ROAS applied, because this is going to play into potentially achieving those goals. So, for this particular instance, I've got $98 here, but I can put whatever I want. I can say, a new customer is worth $50 in addition to. Now, what this will do is it will take anything that they purchase and then add $50 to it. Or I could do, $150 or whatever I want. The strategy here would be to take the lifetime value of a new customer and then factor that into this particular value here. And the reason you want to do this is because you want to tell Smart Shopping what a new customer is worth. And what this is going to do is it's going to give Google permission, so to speak, to go out and make attempts at identifying new customers. So if you're using like maximize conversion value, for instance, Google sees like, wow, this customer, this particular instance is worth much more than this one because this is a new customer. So it's a way that you can kind of cheat the machine, but within the confines of the machine's logic. So we're just letting Google know that a new customer acquisition is worth much more to us than an existing customer, and then Google's going to be more aggressive about getting those new customers. So really cool tool available to you, but you have to be careful because it's going to influence your reporting. So you want to make sure that the lifetime value that's accessible to you really is there. And so, if you've got consumable products or things that people are reordering, or whatever repeat business, whatever ascension model you have in place, if that's rock solid, then this should be a really good strategy for you. If you don't have a great ascension model and you don't know what your lifetime value is, I'd caution you against being too aggressive. Maybe you can bid these numbers up slightly, but the great big numbers, 50, 100, 150, I wouldn't use those unless you've got massive size products. So you'll figure out the strategy in your use case. I'm here to show you the tool set. I hope this was helpful. If you liked the video, give me a thumbs up. If you're going to use this strategy, comment with any questions, or honestly, if you have any ideas, things that you would use this for that I haven't even thought of, I'd love to learn from you. And if you want to see a video every day, then subscribe, because I'm shooting one every day. And as soon as I get 1,000 subscribers, I'm going to start going live, which is going to be cool for all of us. So thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow.